Hi and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there my darlings, I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have a second-hand item that I thrifted last year. I think it was last year or the year before, and I wanted to upcycle it into like a Valentine's Day decor. So I'm just going to show it to you here. Cotton candy. Yummy. Oh, so yummy and fluffy. Hopefully it'll be in the frame. It's this darling little gingerbread man. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It says welcome friends, and it has this like raffia on it here. I thought I was going to take that off and put some of this stuff on that I got from my lovely friend Lorraine. I saved it, so I thought I could do that instead. And then maybe take this, this does have hearts on it, but it's more like Christmas colors. I thought I could take the bow off and replace it with one of these Dollar Tree voila bows. And then I have some stickers here. I put a sticker in the middle of the bow there to make it more like Valentine's Day. And then I think I might repaint this here. So yeah, so I was going to redo this, this gingerbread little guy into a Valentine's Day gingerbread little guy. So I'll be back when I'm all done. So my darlings, here's the finished little guy here for Valentine's Day. I'm glad I, switched it up on him. I like how it turned out. I hope you all enjoyed how it turned out. And thank you for joining me here on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo from now, my darlings. Valentine's Day is coming. Toodles! Toodaloo!